My name is Kanji Coder, and sometimes my brain doesn't work and I make big fuck ups. So the source code for this video is here. We're just making a quick fix in the top level lookup tables section within the level overlay to R4 whatever conversion section. We made a mistake with these lookup tables. This lookup table here, it needs a D underscore because it is global data. It is top level data. You could say file scope data if you're familiar with C, so it needs a D underscore. Then this lookup table also needs a D underscore, and then this one reference here also needs a D underscore. So there's just 3 changes. That's all we did, 3 changes. And let's explain the notation here. So in video 409, we created a bug, and that bug was fixed in video 410. That's how to read these comments. So the Delta comments sometimes will have special tags, 3-letter tags, that tell kind of more information about what went on between videos. And for bugs and fixing bugs, I like to write this because it can kind of remind me that when you're building up a code base, you're gonna fuck up a lot. Like, it's important to know, like, let's just go through all these bugs, right? Like, look at all these times I've fucked up. Like, I've fucked up a shit ton of times, right? I've done a whole bunch of fucking up. And this is why Scrum is so popular, because we're not even done with this engine yet. Now, imagine trying to make this entire engine using, like, a waterfall style, and, you would end up with so many bugs that by the time you tried to fix them, you just wouldn't be able to fix them. It would be an unfixable mess because you'd have the bugs compound into, like, practical infinity, and you just would never be able to fix it. So Scrum is a good idea. Build up little piece by little piece so you can fix all your little fuck-ups, because we're human, we make mistakes. So here's what we did in this video. We just fixed our fuck-up, and if you want a longer explanation, you can go to this playlist. You're on this playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm making an MMO from scratch in JavaScript.